Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Janvi Pradeeprao Babnekar from BSc second year. I would like to share my today's seminar topic is migration of fishes. Migration of fishes. In ecology, it is an animal behavior of mass movement of animals from one place to another. The purpose for migration varies accordingly with the types of animals. Migratory behavior of fish is a regular phenomenon. Their journey is purposed mainly for feeding and reproduction. Types migration of fishes on the basis of needs. Alimentary of feeding migration. Migration for search of feeding ground. It occurs when food resources get exhausted. Second one, gametic of spawning migration. It occurs during feeding season in search for the suitable spawning ground. Third one is climatic or seasonal migration. Migration in search for suitable climatic condition. Fourth, osmoregulatory migration. Migration for seawater and electrolytes balance from sea to fresh water and vice versa. Juvenile migration. It is larval migration from spawning ground to the feeding habitats of their parents. Movement of fishes during the migration. Drifting movement. It is a passive movement of fish along with water currents. Second, dispersal movement. It is a random locomotory movement of fish from a uniform habitat to desired direction. Swimming movements. It is an oriented movement of fish either towards or away from the source of stimulus. Fourth one is denanted and contorted movement. It is an active swimming movement. Denanted movement is swimming with the water current while concentrant movement swimming against water current. Types of fish migration. The migration of some fishes is a regular journey and is truly an innate animal behavior. Fish migration are classified into following types. First one is diromus migration. It is the migration of fish between sea and fresh water. As we know, most of the fishes are reacted to either fresh water or sea water. Change in habitat may cause osmotic imbalance in those fishes. However, some fishes regularly migrate between sea and fresh water and have perfect osmotic balance. They are the true migratory fish. Thus, migration is of two types. First is anadromous migration. It is the migration of marine fish from sea to fresh water for swimming. Fishes and spend most of their life living and finding in sea. They only migrate during the breeding season to the river for swimming ground. Example, salmon, hisla. Salmon migrate for breeding during winter from sea to river. While migratory, some physiological change occurs. Stops finding during journey. Change color from silver to dull reddish brown. They select suitable swimming ground and make a score-like nest in which female lays eggs and male reserves melt over them. Second, catadronous migration. It is the migration of freshwater fishes from river to sea during breeding season for swimming. Third one is Ocadomon migration. It is the migration of fish within sea in search of suitable finding and swimming ground. Example, Kalpa thermus. Fourth one is Latitudinal migration. It is the migration of fish from north to south and vice versa. It is a climatic migration. Fifth one is vertical migration. It is a daily migration of fish from deep to the surface and vice versa for food, protection and swimming. Examples: what fish usually move vertically down to gather depth for food. Shoreward migration. It is the migration of fish from water to land. However, it is temporary migration. Example: eel migration from one pond to another pond via most grasses. Significance of fish migration: to find suitable finding and swimming ground, for protection from predators, survive from extreme climatic condition, increases genetic diversity. It is an adaptation character from survival and extenses. That is. Thank you for listening to me.